Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. It is also called as nerve cell. Let us know about the neuron and its structure. The nervous system is composed of more than 100 billion of tiny cells known as neurons, which communicate with each other in a specific manner. They carry the messages of the body in the form of electrical signals known as impulses. Each nerve cell consists of the cytone or the cell body, dendrites, axon, and axon terminals. Cytone or the cell body. The enlarged portion of the neuron is called as the cytone or soma. It is having a prominent nucleus. Nissls granules are present in the cytoplasm. Metabolic activities will occur here. Dendrites. Extending from the cytone are several short branched projections known as dendrites. Dendrites receive impulses from adjoining neurons or nearby cells. It is only dendrites which carries impulses towards the cell body. Axon. Each neuron has one thicker extension, long extension known as axon extending from the cytone to different parts of our body. Axons carry messages or impulses away from the cytone and to the dendrites of the other neurons. A fatty white coat known as myelin sheath covers axons. It is a specialized insulatory sheath made up of Schwann cells. However, it is not continuous along the length. There are many gaps known as nodes of Renvier. These gaps allow electrical impulses to jump down from one node to the next, thus increasing the speed of its transmission. Axons end in short branches with swollen tips known as axon terminals or terminal buttons. At the tip of axon terminals are synaptic knobs, which helps to transmit impulses between axon terminals and dendrites along a tiny gap known as synapse. Together, axons and dendrites form bundles of nerve fibers, commonly referred to as nerves. Clusters of nerves are known as ganglia. Synapse is the functional region of contact between two neurons, where information from one neuron is transmitted or relayed to another neuron. The information is passed in the form of chemical or electrical signals or both. Synapses are mainly found usually in the brain, spinal cord, and around the spinal cord. Based on the origin, the nerves are divided into two types: cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves. Nerves that originate from brain are called as cranial nerves and they are 12 pairs. Spinal nerves. Nerves that originate from spinal cord are called as spinal nerves. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Observe carefully, some nerves are coming from the brain and some nerves are originating from the spinal cord. Based on the pathways, the nerves are classified mainly into three different types. Efferent nerves or sensory nerves, efferent nerves or motor nerves, association nerves or mixed nerves. Efferent nerves are sensory nerves. The nerves which carry messages towards the central nervous system from nerve endings of muscles of different sense organs are called as efferent nerves or sensory nerves. Efferent nerves are associated with sensory information. Efferent nerves or motor nerves. The nerves which carry messages from the central nervous system to body parts that shall carry out the response to effector muscles are called as efferent nerves or motor nerves. Efferent nerves are associated with motor function. Association nerves are mixed nerves. The nerves linked together, efferent and efferent nerves, are called as association nerves or mixed nerves. Nerves.